Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. In the second video as usual, let's take a look on the gold market. So situation in the gold market is changing day by day because a lot of information appearing on subject of the virus spreading on vaccine production and well, that all this stuff makes impact on the gold price behavior as well. Also the headlines scaring the investors that's the current situation tells that everything should become worse first before it will become better. So sometimes day by day you could see the opposite information and upper statement that leads to increasing of volatility. On the gold market, as you can see, everything was standing good until this moment, but yesterday the stock market has turned down and the gold market showing the reversal candle. Well, that's actually, I think, that puts the bullish scenario here at the edge of the collapse, at the edge of the failure. By the few moments on the daily chart, you can't see everything, but appearing of the reversal, bearish reversal candle here is not good sign. Because take a look, market on this candle create the new top. It means that market has made an attempt to continue higher, to proceed upward direction where actually we thought that should happen. But by the close of the day, it's dropped low and take a look close below the previous session. Not only the previous, but this one as well, and that was lowest price on the whole week actually. This is a bad sign, and it means that further downward action should follow. And currently, again, we resurrect the scenario with a deeper retracement first to the conference support around 1630. So currently, we will keep an eye on this level. We'll see what will happen. Also, it will be interesting how market will behave around 1650 area. Because take a look, this we have minor ABCD pattern here, and its OP stands just a few cents below these lows. So, for example, market could show the wash and rinse here, fast return back up. This will be a very good sign. Well, in this case, it will keep the chances for a bullish scenario. So that could mean that this is indeed just a retracement, and gold market could show the bounce up from this area. Besides this, OP stands very close to the confidence, which led us to place tight stops. And in general, whatever scenario is developing, the pullback from the conference should happen. That odds suggest that the pullback should happen. So from that standpoint, it is relatively safe to consider long entry. So actually, we talked about it in the beginning of the week and 2 weeks ago, but market just can't get price right to this level still. And now it seems that this chance exists that indeed we will get this deep retracement. Why I think that short-term scenario is almost doomed? Because on the 4 time frame chart, guys, you can see what is going on. That's our butterfly that we discussed. On the 618 support, yesterday we said that will be probably drop. But we still hope that this could be drop to the support and then upward action. We take a look what has happened here. Drop has happened. Market even has formed the grabber, the bullish grabber. So everything was done for possible reestablishing an upward action. But gold has failed to do this. So it has tried pull back up from this area, but grabber has been erased. Market has dropped below the 618 area and starts tending lower. So theoretically, butterfly is still valid because market stands above this vital point, above this area. But overall background of this action, guys, taking into consideration that market becomes faster to the downside in these recent 2 sessions, well, keeps low chances that butterfly will work. So theoretical chances exist, but in reality, I would suggest that this pattern is doomed and hardly we will get its performance back to 1770. We should be ready for a deep action. We should be ready to reaching of the 1635 area. And so interesting will be what will happen around this. So it will be some wash and rinse here. Well, in this case, maybe it will be another chance to think about the long position. But in general, we are focusing on the 1635 now. Second moment, recall our XOP target. The US market has hit it, probably was a chance to move stops at break even because market shows the approximately $10 pullback up from this area. Well, but that was just tight and short-term consolidation, some kind of the flag. Next step, you can see market has dropped below the XOP. This type of action is not good for retracement type of action. So when market shows a retracement, should be very sensitive to support and agreements because overall momentum stands bullish and investors searching chance to go long and they use any possibility. That leads to reaction and it reflects in the price action because a lot of investors would like to buy. As soon as they will see valuable level, they're buying, market shows upward action. But here we do not see it. That's bad sign. So here we probably also could take a look at this ABCD pattern. Well, but yes, now market stands at OP, as you can see. It's some kind of support stance. But guys, this leg, CD leg is much faster than AB, and hardly it will stop right here. Miracle could happen, of course, but well, in current circumstances, I would stay aside from taking the long position right now. Well, this choice is up to you, of course, because as I said, theoretical chances exist. We have the butterfly; it's still valid because market stands above this low, but overall price action doesn't encourage me for taking the long position right now, because the levels, the points that we have we were watching for, all of this time have been broken, and that tells that something is going wrong with our scenario, and the background of the price action probably stands different. So I would be better focus on the next week and keep watching what will happen. In the beginning of the next week, maybe we'll get the better chance to go long. Besides today, guys, we will not get the non-farm payrolls list, as you know, when the NFP coincides with the first working day of the month. It postpones for 1 week, so it will be only on the next week. So that's what we have right now on the gold. Let's see what we'll get on the next week.